the tutorial on how to use WhatsApp web. WhatsApp is a short messaging service that was launched for Android and iOS mobile phone users. This application is popularly used to send messages, make voice calls, to share daily moments. Okay, so here we go. Let's go straight to tutorials on how to use WhatsApp web. Firstly, make sure your internet is connected well, and after this, open the browsers of Google Chrome. You can open Google Chrome, and also will appear the appearance like this, and then type on the searching box of Google web, just type WhatsApp web. Okay, after you type WhatsApp web, click enter, and then you choose this web.whatsapp.com, and then click this web whatsapp.com, and then we will be taken into the appearance like this, the WhatsApp web page. And after this, we will follow the instructions to open WhatsApp on a computer, and then just open the WhatsApp on your smartphone, and then choose three dots menu or settings, and then connect the devices, or the link to device. And so it means that you should open your WhatsApp on your smartphone, and then click on the three dots menu or settings, and then link device. Just choose also like link device. So after this, just go straight the barcode to scan from your smartphone into your laptop. So after you scan this, automatically will open the WhatsApp web on your laptop to synchronize the WhatsApp on your smartphone with your WhatsApp web that have been synchronized through the scan of barcode. Okay, the process of synchronization is successfully complete, and then WhatsApp web will appear the WhatsApp mobile on your smartphone. This is the same. So we will try to open the settings on the WhatsApp web, so we can see the new group or new community archived, and then start messages and settings and logout. That is the three dots menu on the WhatsApp web. Okay, can see here. So see this profile, and to change the profile photo, just click on the your photo or your profile, and then you will be taken into the page like this. If we want to change the photos, the profile photos, just click the photo profile, and then you can take photo or see the photo or upload photo or delete photo. And also we can also type the name here, your name and info. So you can see your status if as an info on your WhatsApp. Okay, for example, you can type busy, or you can always on, or everything. This is like a status on your profile. Okay, this is a new messaging. This is the message that it is used to make some new messages. Okay, you can see here the community or group that is joined on your mobile smartphone WhatsApp. Okay, so I think this is how the tutorial on how to open or use the WhatsApp web.com on your laptop. So before we close, make sure that you have logged out. Just click the three dot menu on this WhatsApp web and then select logout. This will appear like this. Are you sure? To make sure that you want to log out, and then just click log out, and then you will automatically log out with your WhatsApp web.com with your WhatsApp on your smartphone. Okay, I think this is the tutorial on how to use WhatsApp web on your laptop. See you soon on the next video. Hopefully this will be useful. Bye.